Hello everyone. It's been a little while since I've last done a video. So due to the well, let's get the legal stuff out of the way first. Okay, first off the bat, this video is for adults only, age 18 or over. Anyone under that age, please switch off now. You're not permitted to watch this video. So adults only, please. Okay, I've got legal stuff out of the way. Okay, right, this is my first video in a long time. It's been about 3 years. I've been collecting statues ever since. I'm virtually at the end game now with my statues. I think I've got about 5 statues left on pre-order. Then that side of things are done. So I started venturing into getting my comics graded to go along with the statues. So this is I've got 3 boxes of CGCs, which I've had graded and slabbed over the last 6 months to go with the statues. These are stored at one location. I've got another 3 boxes at another location. I still got to pick up another 35 CGCs from the London head office. I then got, I think, another 20 to put in Marvel DC side, and then I can then hit Star Wars comics to be graded. I'm looking at about 50 or 60 there. And then that should be it. I should be done. It's a matter of then just getting everything set up. So anyway, I thought I'd just show you the CGCs I've got to go with the statues. Might start with going into box number 1, which is on the left hand side here. Alright, so first up we've got the Web of Black Widow number 1. I've got that as a 9.8, and that's a Comic Mint edition. Nice cover. Next one up we've got Blade Sins of the Father. Sorry for the glare, by the way. And that's a 30 edition. That's a 9.6. Next up I've got Blade number 6. Got that as a 9.8. Okay, next up we've got Captain America 695, and that's a 9.8. That's a Granoff variant cover. That will go with my Captain America premium format statue. Next one I've got is Captain Marvel number 1, and that's a U variant cover. I've got that as a 9.8. Next one is Captain Marvel number 1 again, and that's an Artgerm Virgin edition, 9.8. This one here is the Captain Marvel number 14. It's the Italian Fall edition. Got that as a 9.8. It's a nice cover. Ghost Rider number 1. That's a retailer incentive edition, 9.8. This one here, Cosmic Ghost Rider number 4. It's a variant edition. That's a back part of the battle lines. It's a 9.8. Hulk number 4. Got that as a 9.8. That's going to go with my Sideshow Red Hulk premium format statue. World War Hulk number 1. Got that as a 9.6, and that's going to go with my Sideshow Gladiator Hulk statue. This one here, we've got the Absolute Carnage Immortal Hulk number 1 variant edition. That's a 9.6. It's a nice cover. Iron Fist number 1 Delato variant cover. It's a 9.8. Dark Avengers #1, Midtown Comics edition 9.6. That's going to go with my Major Mart's I'm Patriot statue. Lady Death #7, got in as a 9.4. That's going to go with my Sideshow Lady Death premium format statue. New Avengers #27. It's a variant edition, 9.6. Peter Parker, The Spectacular Spider-Man, 300. It's a Delotto cover. Got it as a 9.8. Going to put that with the Spider-Man premium format Sideshow statue, where he's hanging off. Well, he's swinging off of the metal girder. So they're going to go together. Back. Get up to. We've got a nice cover here, Extermination X-Men Unknown Comics edition, 9.8. CBCS cable #5, it's a 9.8. Really nice cover. That's going to go with my XM Studios cable statue. And we've got Hunt for Wolverine. That's a Kirkham variant cover, 9.8. So that will probably go with my Sideshow Dark Phoenix or Wolverine premium format statue. And then we've got Marvel .1. It's a variant edition. It's a 9.6 and it's a wraparound cover. Beautiful cover. I'll show you the other side of it. Yeah, it says the other side of it. Really, really nice. Alright, so that's one box done. Let's move over to the next box. Okay, we've got Batman Detective Comics #1, 9.6. It's really nice with the Joker there on the bottom. Love that cover. Batman Arkham City. It's a special edition. I've got it in as a 9.8. Very hard to get this in a high grade. I'm going to put this with the Batman Arkham Sideshow premium format statue together on display. Batman #50, the DC Boutiques edition. Beautiful cover, like a foil cover, 9.8. Really nice. We've got Batman Detective Comics 817. It's really, really nice. That's a 9.8. That's also going to go with the Batman Arkham Sideshow premium format statue. Batman #1. It's really, really nice cover with a Bergamo Joker. New England Comics edition. Got it in 9.8. Going to stick that with the Prime 1 Bermejo Joker statue when it comes out. Harley Quinn #30. Like the artwork. Got that into 9.4. Hard to get in at higher grades because of the black cover, obviously. Aquaman #31. Love this cover, the artwork, the colours, it just pops. It's a variant cover, 9.6. Deathstroke #37. Variant cover, 9.6. I'll put this on display with my Prime 1 Deathstroke statue, the OG one that come out, the first one. Detective Comics number 32, Lucia variant cover, 9.6, old school, really nice. Batman Superman 3.1, it's a 9.8, it's a reflective cover, Doomsday on there, it's nice. Harley Quinn number 57, got it in as a 9.8 variant cover, it's really nice. Detective Comics 995, all the villains on, beautiful looking cover, it's a variant cover, coming in 9.8, really nice. I've got a couple of Star Wars ones in here, I've still got loads of other Star Wars to do yet. Princess Leia number 1, I've got it in as a 9.4, and that's a Alex Ross variant cover, really nice. Got a Star Wars number 1, this is a sketch edition, that's a 9.8, really nice looking cover. Star Wars Droids number 1, got it as a 9.8, very hard getting a high grade because of the black cover. I'm going to put this together with the Sideshow premium format C3PO and R2-D2 on the sand base statue, so they're going to go together. Princess Leia number 1, beautiful artwork, it's a Brooks variant cover, got that coming as a 9.8, going to put that with the Sideshow Princess Leia premium format statue, the OG one, so they go together. Dr. Alpha 21, it's a variant edition, it's General Grievous, got it as 9.6, I'll be displaying that with the Sideshow General Grievous premium format statue, the exclusive with the cape. Aliens vs 2 number 1, got that in as a 9.6, beautiful looking cover. We'll put that with my Alien Warrior maquette from Sideshow statue on display together. Aliens number 1, old school cover, it's got a first appearance, and coming in 9.6. It's a quite expensive cover to get hold of. I will be putting this on display with my Sideshow Alien Queen statue. Same again with this, Aliens V2 number 4. It's a Celebrity Authentics edition. Got that in 9.8 with Ripley there on the front cover with the Alien Queen. Heaven forbid when someone actually does a Ripley quarter scale statue. It's long overdue, so I will put this CGC with her, or it will go with the Alien Queen Sideshow statue, but a beautiful cover. Next one's Alien Rescue. You can't really see it well because it's dark. Number 4, it's a 9.8. Get it out. Can't really see it because of the glare. Yeah, 9.8. Can't really see it. Yeah, so I've got it as a 9.8. It's basically Alien Queen. I'm going to put that with the Sideshow Alien Queen statue. That I have. Where are we? Got where I am now. Done that. Alright, next one, Alien Rescue, really nice looking cover, number 1, got it as a 9.8, it's a really nice cover. Going back to my childhood now, I've got an Eagle Transporter which Alex and George from Red Titan have reviewed. So I've got this comic because I loved the TV series when I was growing up as a kid. So this will go with the Eagle Transporter that I have on display together. I've got it in as 9.6, quite expensive as well to get hold of. Yeah, another one, reliving my childhood, Battlestar Galactica #1. Got it in 9.8, really nice cover. And this one, Hellraiser, Clive Baker's Hellraiser #1, booked by Boom Studios. It's a 9.8, and I'm going to have that on display with my Sideshow Hellraiser premium format statue. Right, going over to the final box for location that are located here. Okay, we've got I can't really see it properly. Yeah, we've got Batman Arkham Knight. It's a variant cover. Got it in as a 9.8. I'm going to display that with the Prime 1 Arkham Batman statue that I have. Very nice. Next up is Batman #18. It's got Bane on the front cover, really nice. And it's coming as 9.4. I'll be displaying that with the Sideshow Bane premium format statue. Same with this as well. Batman Vengeance of Bane special #1. Got it in as a 9.6. We'll be displaying that with the Bane statue as well. Really nice full cover here. Batman Secret Files #1. 9.6. It's a really nice cover. Batman the Red Death foil cover. Really nice cover. Really reflective. Really nice. Cut that in as a 9.6. Detective Comics 1006. I'll tell that actually. See it properly. Yeah, Detective Comics 1006, really nice cover. It's a variant cover, and I've got that in as a 9.8. Beautiful cover. Next up we've got Detective Comics 1000. It's a Midtown Comics Edition B. Got that in as a 9.8. It's the Virgin variant. It's really nice. Holy Grail that I've got so far is Detective Comics 1000. It's a Bulletproof Comics Convention Edition. And this come in at 9.9. So I'm well chuffed about that. Absolutely stunning comic and artwork to look at. Check it out, its cover so you can see. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. Love it. So glad that come back how it did. Oh, that's the only one I've got is a 9.9. It's really nice. Next one I've got is Catwoman number 15. I've got this come back as a 9.6. I'm going to put this with my Sideshow Catwoman classic premium format statue in the mauve outfit. So this will be on display with that. Justice League number 18, cover with Cyborg on the front. Got this as a 9.4. This is going to go on display with my Prime 1 quarter scale Cyborg statue. Nice cover. Same with this one, Cyborg Rebirth number 1. Got this in 9.6. Same again, it will go on display with the Cyborg Prime 1 quarter scale statue. Justice League 23.1 reflective cover. Got this is 9.8. This will be put on display with my custom Darkseid statue that I have. Same again here. Darkseid graded comic here. Justice League Odyssey number 8. It's a variant cover. It's a 9.8. And that will also be on display with the statue. Justice League number 6 variant cover. I've got this as a 9.8. That will also go on display with the statue. Deathstroke number 3. It's a 9.4. This will go on display with the Prime 1 Deathstroke statue that I have. Deathstroke number 32. Variant cover. I've got this in 9.8. This will also go on display with the Prime 1 1/3 scale Deathstroke statue that I have. Flash number 61. Variant cover 9.6. This will go on display with my Flash Prime 1 1/4 scale statue that I got a few months back. Really nice cover like that. And also the same with this one, Flash Rebirth number 1, 9.6. That will go on display with the statue as well. Justice League of America number 1, Green Lantern variant cover 9.8. I'll put this on display with my Sideshow OG premium format Green Lantern statue with the flaming fist. I've got the exclusive, so that will go with that. Same again with this Green Lantern number 6. It's a variant cover 9.8. That will also go on display with it. Got here the Green Lantern number 1. It's a variant cover B, 9.8. That will also go on display with it as a Virgin cover. Batman 23.1 variant cover. It's a reflective cover with Joker on the front, 9.8. That's going to go with my Heath Ledger Sideshow premium format statue. Deceased number 2, Raging Hulk. Raging Hulk. What am I going about? Going fruitcake. Raging Superman variant cover. Absolutely awesome cover. I love this cover. 9.8. Going to put this on display with my Sideshow OG Superman premium format statue on the classic ice base. Superman 204, 9.6, same again. That'll be put on display with the statue. Superman Unchained number 6. It's a variant cover, 9.8. Really nice. And that will also be put on display with the statue. Wonder Woman number 72, the variant cover, 9.4. This will be put on display with my new Wonder Woman Sideshow premium format statue, where she's coming down the steps with the lasso. Nice. And the final one that I have here is Wonder Woman number 51. It's quite expensive cover nowadays. 9.8. That will also be on display with the statue. Really nice cover. Right, well that's everything that I've got here. I'll do another video another time of what I've got elsewhere. I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously give us a like if you can. Comments, and I'll obviously feedback to yourself and whatever. In the meantime, everyone stay safe and take care of yourself away from obviously this terrible virus. And I'll hopefully post another video up soon. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and everyone take care. Thank you. Bye bye.